Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Enjoying the rainy season. But you have to take care of your health as well, right? So, get ready for your today's class. We will start chapter 5, Living and Non-Living Things, part 1. Okay? So, let us see what we have. Points to keep in mind. Natural things. Dear children, things क्या होती हैं? चीज़ें. Fan, tube light, sun, moon, clothes, all these are things, right? Now, the things are of two types, okay? Natural things and man-made things. Natural things वो होते हैं जो हमें मदर अर्थ से मिले हैं, मतलब जो गॉड ने बना के भेजा है, ओके? दोज आर नेचुरल थिंग्स लाइक सन, मून, फॉरेस्ट, माउंटेन्स, ओके? सो ऑल दीज आर नेचुरल थिंग्स. देन मैन मेड थिंग्स. व्हाट आर मैन मेड थिंग्स? द थिंग्स विच आर मेड बाय अस, ओके? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the fan is made by us, benches, then pen, okay? All these things are man-made, means made by us. हमने कार भी बनाई है, मोबाइल भी बनाया है, okay? So these are the man-made things. Now, in this living things कौन से होते हैं? जिनमें जान हो, okay? Those are plants, animals and human beings. हमें किसने बनाया है? हमें भगवान ने बनाया है, right? We are living things. We have life, okay? So plants have life, animals and human beings also, okay? So हम क्या हैं? हम living things हैं. And the next is non-living things. Non-living things are the things that doesn't have any life. उनमें life नहीं होती है. Like sun, moon, mountains, car, pencil, books. All these things are non-living things. Okay? इनमें life नहीं होती है. Fine, dear children. So today we will learn about living things and non-living things. Okay? Let us see what we have next. Activity. Living and non-living things. Look at the picture given below and answer the question. हमें क्या करना है? पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखना है and जो questions पूछे हैं उसका आंसर देना है. Name any 4 living things shown in the picture. पिक्चर में हमें देखना है कि 4 living things कौन सी हैं. Living things are tree, okay? Tree is the living thing, bird is the living thing, dog and human being, okay? So these are the 4 living things. इनमें life है, okay? And second one is, now name any 4 non-living things. Non-living things बताओ. House, ball, sun and mountains, right? All these things are non-living things. इनमें life नहीं है, okay? Clear? कौन सा living thing होता है, कौन सा non-living thing होता है? Now let us see what is next. Points to keep in mind. Natural things. Okay, this one is done. हाँ. Characteristics of living things. Living things क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, उन्हें किन चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है. We will see that. There are in all 6 points, but today we will learn about 3. Okay? All living things grow. जो living things होती हैं, जिनमें life होती है, that they grow. Okay? वो grow करते हैं. For example, human beings. हम इंसान, when we are born, we are small babies, right? But as we grow up, we become grown up human beings. हम मैन, विमेन बन जाते हैं, राइट? देन लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड एंड वाटर। आप खाने के बिना, पानी के बिना जी सकते हो? नहीं ना? सो ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड एंड वाटर so that they can live, okay? So that they can live. Living things feel and react. हम फील कर सकते हैं और हम रिएक्ट कर सकते हैं, ओके? अगर हमें कुछ लग जाए हमें फील होता है ना, हम किसी से टकरा जाए तो हमें फील होता है, हम किसी हार्ड चीज़ को टच करें तो हमें फील होता है, हम सॉफ्ट चीज़ को टच करें so we feel softness of that thing, right? So we can feel and we can react, okay? Now we will see the video lesson of this chapter so that we can get a clear idea of living things and non-living things, okay? Are you ready? Let's go.
Chapter 5. Living and non-living things. In our daily life, we see a number of things. They may be natural or man-made, living or non-living. Natural and human-made things. Natural things are things that are not made by humans.
Natural things कौन सी होती हैं? जो हमें गॉड ने बना के भेजी हो, जो हमने नहीं बनाई हो, लाइक ट्रीज, माउंटेन्स, सन, मून, राइट? ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नेचुरल थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट.
For example, the sun, air, water, plants, animals and rocks. They may be living or non-living. Human-made things are things that are made by humans. For example, house, car, book and bulb. Human-made.
Human-made things are the things made by us. Okay? House, fan, books, all these things are made by us. So they are man-made things. Clear?
Things are non-living things. Living and non-living things. Plants, animals and human beings are living things. The sun, moon, mountains and all human-made things like pens, books and pencils are non-living things. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Living things move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce.
Living things non-living things से अलग होते हैं because living things they grow, वो बड़े होते हैं, they breathe, हम सांस लेते हैं, need food, हमें खाना चाहिए, we need water, then feel changes, feel and react and reproduce. हम खुद से अलग अलग चीज़ें बनाते हैं, ओके? सो वी ग्रो, ब्रीथ, नीड फूड, फील चेंजेस एंड रिप्रोड्यूस, ओके?
Living things grow. All living things grow. A tiny seed grows into a baby plant. After some time, it grows into a big plant or a tree. A seed grows into a big tree. Baby animals grow into big animals. They grow in shape and size. A chick first hatches out of an egg and then grows into a hen. Baby, child, adult, old person. A human baby grows into an adult and then an old person. Does your doll or pencil grow? No, non-living.
लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो करती हैं. छोटा सा सीड एक प्लांट बनता है, फिर बड़ा ट्री बन जाता है. एक छोटा सा एग वो पहले चिकन बनता है, फिर कॉकियाँ हैन बन जाता है. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स पहले बेबी होते हैं, फिर वो बड़े हो जाते हैं. सो वी ऑल ग्रो. हमारी पेन कभी बड़ी होती है क्या? नहीं ना. हमारी बुक्स. So the living things grow and non-living things cannot grow. Okay.
Living things do not grow. Living things need food and water. Can we live without water or food? No. All living things need food and water to live. Most plants make their own food from water, air and sunlight. Animals get their food from plants and other animals. Does your doll or pencil need food to eat or water to drink? No, non-living things do not need food and water. Living things feel and react. When we accidentally prick our hand with a small pin, we feel the pain and quickly move it away. When we touch an ice cube, our fingers feel cold. When we hear music, our feet start tapping the floor. Our pet dog moves its tail on seeing any family member, while it barks at a stranger. Humans and most animals feel changes around them with their sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Insects like cockroaches and butterflies have antennae to sense the changes around them.
Dear children, human beings means all living things. They feel and then they react. हम feel कर सकते हैं changes को with our sense organs. We have eyes, ears, nose, lips, tongue, skin. इन सारी चीज़ों से हम react कर सकते हैं. Insects के सर पे एंटीना होता है जिससे वो चीज़ें feel कर पाए, right? And plants, they don't have any sense organs, but वो भी changes को react करते हैं. कैसे? See this? Plants do not have any sense organs, but they react to changes around them. When we touch the leaves of Touch Me Not plant, it quickly closes its leaves. Touch Me Not plant को जब हम touch करते हैं तब उसके leaves बंद हो जाते हैं, तो वो भी react करता है, right? Dear children, I hope आपको ये first 3 points अच्छे से समझ में आ गए. Now we will see the worksheet, okay? Let's go. Dear children, this is your worksheet, okay? Lesson 5, video lesson part 1 and worksheet 1. Fill in the blanks. आपको sentence अच्छे से read करके blank को fill करना है. Dash is a non-living thing. Non-living thing कौन है? Tree और doll? आपको right question का आपको right answer यहाँ पे लिखना है. Then dash is a living thing. Animal और car में living कौन है? You have to write the correct answer, okay? Then yes or no, आपको sentence पढ़ के yes or no लिखना है. When we touch ice cube, our fingers feel cold. जब हम बर्फ को टच करते हैं तब हमें ठंड लगती है ना? So yes, so you have to read all these sentences and you have to write yes or no. That's all for today's class. I will meet you next time with the fresh topic of this chapter. Okay? Bye. God bless you.